Hello, my name is Aaron. I'm from Lingual Center, and today we're going to talk about adjectives. In these slides, we're going to show you differences between adjectives, what like their opposites, and we're going to slowly go through them and see what they are. All right, let's go. So first, there's bad, and then there's good. You can see here that the devil is bad and an angel is good. And then there's beautiful and ugly. Beautiful and ugly. You can see that the witch here is ugly and this girl here is beautiful. Here is dangerous and safe. Dangerous and safe. This bear is very dangerous, but this little baby in a seat, baby seat with seat belts on, is safe. And then the second one is dirty and clean. Dirty and clean. This pig is covered in mud, so it's dirty. And this lady has cleaning equipment, so she's cleaning, so the place is clean. Okay. Then there's empty and full. Empty and full. This box is empty. It has nothing inside it. And this box is full. Then the next one is expensive and cheap. This ring, this diamond ring, it has a huge diamond, so it's very expensive. It's expensive. But whatever this is, it's 50% off. It has a discount of 50%, so it is very cheap. It's very cheap. Okay, and now the next one is old, old, and new. New. So old, this is an old teddy bear. You can see it has been patched many times. It it has its ear come off. So it's an old toy. It's an old toy. But this one is brand new. It's new. It's right out of the box. Okay? And then high and low. High and low. These are high heel shoes. High heel shoes. You can see it's very high. And these are ballet shoes. These are very low. Very low. So again, high and low. Then the next two is wet, wet, and dry. Wet and dry. You can see that this dog and this mouse is wet. They have water all over them. They're wet. But this is a hair dryer. It dries stuff. Okay? And then big and small. This is an elephant, a big elephant. We all know elephants are big. And then this is a small bunny, a baby bunny. They are very small. They're very small. The next two is easy, easy, and difficult, difficult. This equation that this boy is doing, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, is very easy. It is very easy. Well, the equation that this girl is doing, which is, I'm not even going to read it out because it's very hard. It's very difficult. Okay? So this is difficult. And then here you can see fast and slow. There's a race car, which we all know are really fast. It's a race car. It's fast. And a turtle is slow. It walks very slowly. Okay. And now here we can see a poor person and a rich person. This one is poor, has no money, but this one is rich. It has a lot of money. And then fair and dark. Fair hair, for example. This girl has fair hair. It's very bright, very light. It's fair. It's a fair hair. And then this girl has dark hair. It's it's black. It's very dark. Okay? Fat and thin. This girl is very fat, but then she got exercise and she becomes thin. This girl is very fat, but then she gets exercise and becomes thin. And now, long and short. This girl has long hair, while this woman has very short hair. It's a very short hair. And then the last one, the last two, is old, young. You can see that this man is very old. He uses a stick to walk, so he's very old. And this girl is very young, very young. And then there's tall. This giraffe is very tall. We all know that giraffes has tall necks. Giraffes has tall necks. They're very tall. And then there's a zebra who has a short neck. It's short. Okay. Thank you for your attention. I will see you next time. Bye bye.